We get a lot of questions on liner protrusion, why it's important, how to do it. It's a very, very important part of an engine rebuild process. Liner protrusion is the amount of distance that the liner sticks up above the block. Why is that important? It's important because the head gasket gets sandwiched between the head and the liner. If the liner drops or falls down or wears in the block, it releases tension on that head gasket and ultimately causes a head gasket failure. Why is it important to do the repair and do the liner checks? Because if you've got a customer that comes in your shop and you're rebuilding an engine and you don't do the liner protrusion checks and it is off, chances are, as he goes down the road 50, 60, 70,000 miles, he's going to have a blown head gasket. That's going to be because the liners are not going to be set back to specification. The CAT specification, for example, is 3 to 6 thousandths protrusion, which was a spec that was developed back when the 425 horse CAT was the baddest thing on the road. Now we're running 550, 600, 625 horse. So you want to make sure that that liner protrusion is at the top end of the specification. They've got specifications for variation between cylinders and variation from the length of the deck, but always make sure that you've got good instruments that provide repeatable measurements so that you can get those measurements around that liner, and you've got the liner press or the bolts to hold the liner in and they're torqued to spec. That will make sure that you get good, accurate measurements. And if you check the liners and you cut the counter bores and you put the liners back to the top of spec, you're going to have a good quality repair going forward. The last thing anybody wants is to have something come in the shop, not fix the repair right, and have somebody come back and have a problem. The owner-operator doesn't want that because his truck's going to be down. The repair shop doesn't want that because he's going to be doing the job over again. And us as a parts supplier, we don't want to see people have to do that again. So always check your liner protrusion, whether it's a CAT, it's a Cummins, it's a Detroit. We sell liner shims to get you where you need to be. We sell undersized spacer plates if that's what's going to get you where you need to be. But check your liner protrusion. It's very important to the rebuild process. The process of cutting the counter bores is kind of a pay me now or pay me later type situation, whether it's the repair shop or the owner operator. If the liner protrusion is not right, it will fail coming down the road. So pay to have it done when it's in there, or pay to have it done later. It's always more efficient to have it done while it's apart. So repair shops, cutting counter bores is certainly not gouging your customer. It's getting a better repair for your customer. And owner operators, the last thing you want is downtime. You want to be on the road, and it will be a pay me now or pay me later type situation. So get that counter bore fixed if it's a problem and move forward, and you'll have a great repair. If you need anything to get your truck back going, whether it's an overhaul kit, liner shims, undersized spacer plate, or a cylinder head, give us a shout at Highway and Heavy Parts, 844-447-2950. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.